DH20 DH22 Operation Guide. This video is divided into 5 parts, which are power on, daily testing, quality control confirmation, calibration, and power off. Part 1, Power on. Turn on the power of the analyzer and wait for the analyzer to power on. Log in admin account. The password is admin also. After entering the interface, the analyzer will automatically run the hydraulic initialization program. Part 2, Daily testing. Daily sample testing is divided into 4 modes: 1. Venous whole blood, 2. Capillary whole blood, 3. Pre-dilution, and 4. Background. Mode 1, Venous whole blood. Check venous whole blood and the corresponding test mode. Enter the code. Click OK. Gently mix the blood sample. After the blood sample is inverted and mixed, place it under the sampling probe and click the aspiration button to take an aspirated sample. Mode 2, Capillary whole blood. Check capillary whole blood, click the corresponding test mode, and enter the sample information. Click OK. Mix the blood sample and place it under the sampling probe. Click on the aspiration button to aspirate the sample and start the test. Mode 3, Pre-dilution. Click pre-dilution mode, check the corresponding test mode, enter the information, and click OK. Return to the home page and click Add diluent. After the probe has been cleaned, place a clean tube under the sampling probe and click the button. A fixed amount of diluent will flow out of the probe. Then use the pipette gun to aspirate 20 ml of the blood sample. Add it to the diluent and mix it upside down. Put the mixed sample under the probe. And click on the aspiration button to complete the test. Mode 4, Background. Click Mode, ID, select Background Mode and press OK. Press Aspiration button to run the background test. Confirm that the results meet the requirements. Part 3, Quality Control Confirmation. Click QC setting and select New. There are 3 ways to set up a quality control file. First, manually input the target values from the target value table. Second, use a scanner to scan the QR code at the bottom of the quality control target value table. Third, import the QC file by USB drive. Click Import, File, OK. Then choosing the corresponding file. After setting up the quality control file, click Save and QC Analysis. In the Quality Control interface, select the quality control file. Confirm that the batch matches. Ensure that the quality control status is normal and has not expired. The quality control is valid for 14 days after opening. Before testing, gently invert and mix the quality control about 10 times. Then proceed with testing. If the quality control results are normal, it indicates that the analyzer is in good condition. The above is the whole process of installation. Part 4, Calibration. There is a bottle of reagent and a target value. Confirm the batch number and expiration date. Find the corresponding model target value. Click on Home, click on Calibration, and enter the lot shelf life and the target value of the calibrator. Enter the corresponding target value. After restoring room temperature for 20 minutes, mix the calibrators for testing, a total of 10 times. After completing the calibration, ensure that all calibrations pass. Click Save. Click OK. Part 5 Power Off. Click on the home page and click on Shutdown. After getting a pop-up, place the cleanser under the sampling probe. Click the aspiration button to suck up the cleanser and start the cleanser soak. After the set cleanser soaking time is over, the screen indicates that the analyzer can be shut down and turns off the power at the back of the analyzer. If encounter any issues, please contact Dymind customer service. Thank you for listening.